going to discuss today about a nice interesting topic, polymer. You all know about the polymer, yes, because every day we are using a polymeric product like food packaging product and medical devices and cable insulating wires and nylon, Teflon. So lot of materials we are using in day-to-day life. So in this case study we are discussing about the polymeric material one by one. So what is the introduction and what are the materials used in day-to-day life? Let's talk about this. Introduction.
Hello all, I am from CSE IoT department. Today I am going to give an introduction on polymers. Polymers are long structured chains. They are very crucial, very important these days. They are being used in many industries like small industries like packaging to larger industries like medical fields and others. They are very special because of their special characteristics, because, they are lightweight and easily usable and flexibility. Their demands has been increased because of their natural availability and cost efficiency and technological uses.
I am Dr.D.Sathya from CSE IoT department. Today I am going to talk about polyethylene. Polyethylene is one of the most commonly used product which is made from polymerization of ethylene gas. We have two types of polymers which is low density polyethylene and high density polyethylene. These are resistant and durable. We have products made from this which is plastic bags and bottles, and we have advantages like we can.
Polyethylene is a low density and high density polyethylene. We are using in everyday polyethylene bags, so we can avoid that because the less micron polyethylene, it's also decomposable. So high microns polyethylene only, it's not decomposable. We're not using on every day. So high density polyethylene we are using in PET bottles, right? We are using in low density means it's using polyethylene bags. Okay, then what about the other polymer?
And polymer. Hi guys, I'm Harini from CSE IoT department. I'm going to talk about the polymer chloride. PVC is a types of plastic which is used in which is made up of chemical called vinyl chloride, and it is strong and lightweight and waterproof, so it is used in every way. And these two types of polymer chloride, they are PVC of rich PVC and flexible PVC. And rich PVC, which means example is pipes, and flexible PVC is bags. And it is so cheap and long lasting, so many of industries consist of this.
So the PVC is also it's a very important application, right, in pipes and the electrical terms. Okay. The next one.
Next one is 9966. Hi guys, I am Harita from CSE IoT. I am going to say about 9966. One of the most important synthetic polymer used in our daily life. Synthetic polymer made from hexamethylene diamine and acetic acid. It is known for its very high strength and elasticity, heat resistant. Used from textile cloth like socks, sportswear, because it is strong and comfortable to wear. Next, car parts for machine parts, electrical and electronic components.
Okay, the next.
Next polymer is Teflon. I'm Abhirani from CSE IoT department. I'm going to speak about Teflon. Teflon is actually made of tetrafluoroethylene monomers to form polytetrafluoroethylene. Teflon is basically used in kitchens like cookwares for its non-stick nature and high heat resistant and strong chemical stability. It won't react with the food particles easily, so it is widely used in cookwares. Not only in kitchens, it uses are widely spread in industries also. Like it is used in aircraft wiring, chemical resistant pipes, and in medical catheters and industrial bearings. And it is actually formed or discovered accidentally only by Dr. Roy. Teflon is widely used because of its low friction and non-reactivity with the components.
So in already we are using in Teflon in a solvothermal process.
Yes.
So So last experiment, I think last class we had discussed about Teflon coated products materials are used in industry for it's very good thermal stability. That's why we use it in both the cooking and outside purpose. It's a temperature around 370 Celsius. Like.
Yes, ma'am. It is high heat resistance.
High heat. That's why we are using it as a non-stick pans. Okay. So what are the applications of the polymer in overall applications?
So I'm going to say about the applications of polymer. I'm Irfan Ali from CSE IoT department. So polymers are extremely versatile materials used in almost every industry. So we are going to see about some examples. We can use it as household applications. It is used in manufacturing plastic bottles, or it is used as a packaging material such as polyethylene or polypropylene. It is also used in construction applications like pipes and fittings. It is used as PVC, and it can be also used in paints and coatings.
That's why we are using two types of polymers. One is a thermostatic polymer and a thermoplastic polymer. Once it can be molded, we can't reshape. So these polymers are using in everyday life. We are discussing in a case study. In future, the nanoparticles is combined with the polymeric material. It also used in medical devices and aircraft and military. So thank you.